Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to upload WhatsApp DP without losing quality. So make sure the first thing you have to make sure is your photo that you want to put for DP is of good quality or HD quality. So let's head over to our WhatsApp then. So once you are there, head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Here, go to settings. In here, you have to head over to your profile. Now click on your picture and click on the pencil icon on the top right. And here, go to gallery, or you can go to camera to select your photo. So I'm selecting my photo, and here, once you are done, just tap on done and your profile photo will be updated. So the main thing you have to make sure is that your photo that you are going to upload on WhatsApp DP is a high quality photo. So as there is no perfect option for HD photo to upload in here, like we send HD quality images in our WhatsApp through different conversations. So as you can see in uploading DP, there is no option like that. So we have to just make sure our picture is HD quality or high quality. See, yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.